Hi friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use and apply small friend formula. So in the case of small friend, we take the bead of value 5 as the reference. To obtain the number from addition and subtraction on abacus, we operate the reference 5 with the small friend. Here I'll explain about it. So if you have to do plus 1 in any case and enough bead is not available, then you have to do plus 5 and then minus 4. Similarly, if you have to do plus 2 and enough bead is not available, then you have to do plus 5 minus 3. Then plus 3 is equals to plus 5 minus 2, plus 4 is equals to plus 5 minus 1. The subtraction concept of small friend is quite similar to the addition concept. In addition, you have to do plus 5 in all the cases, and in subtraction, you have to do minus 5 in all the cases. Now, from these concepts, you can be clear that 1 friend is 4, 2 friend is 3, 3 friend is 2, and 4 friend is 1. So this is the basic concept of small friend formula. Now let's take an example. We have to add 2, then again 2. Now again, if you have to add 2, there are no enough beads available. So we think of the small friend formula addition concept, that is plus 5 and minus 3. So plus 5 we have to do like this and then minus 3. So the answer is 6. So in this way we get answer using the small friend formula. Now I'll be doing two similar sums relating to small friend formula concept. So these are the two questions I'll be doing. Now let's clear the abacus. So first we'll do 8. Then minus 4. Minus 4 concept is plus 1 and minus 5. Plus 1 and then minus 5. Now 5. We can add 5 easily. Then minus 6. Then plus 3. Plus 3 we have to do plus 5 then minus 2. Then minus 5 we can do easily. Then plus 4 means plus 5 and minus 1. Then minus 3. Minus 3 means plus 2 and minus 5 according to subtraction or small friend. So the answer is 2. Now let's do the next question. 9. Then minus 5. Then 4. 4 is not possible as enough beads are not possible. So we have to do plus 5 then minus 1. Now minus 3. Plus 2. Then minus 4, again you have to do plus 1 and then minus 5. Now plus 3, plus 2. Now minus 3 means plus 2 and minus 5. So we get the answer 5 in this question. So this is all about today's video. In next video, I'll be teaching you how to use big friend formula in Abacus. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with the new videos.